For 20 Nigerians were jailed for 140 years. And the appeal is coming up on the 20th of September. Go and Google this thing. If you Google Torino Chronicle, page 8, so on September 26th, you will see that 20 Nigerians were sentenced to 140 years for a mafia-related crime without any single proof.
You know, say some of you now, I be imagine, say, what all these people do will make Italian government or Italian judges sentence these people to 140 years. I want to tell you guys something that I know that happened for like years back, like 5 years back. Now this incident happened. Now let me go there. Let me open the file for you guys to understand what our Nigeria guys are doing in this place. Now, what thing all these guys do now, I want to tell you so. They call same person Magin. Una know what it be Magin. When they same person Magin, the person can't go, come back. When he go, come back, you know, say that thing, the way Mike here, they say that is, they get what that they drink, they will come remove the Magin in a way where you all go understand. So the person where they send, may go bring Maggi come. The person don't drink and. The person Maggi no gree come out for where Maggi supposed to come out. Maggi no come out. So now, what do they want to do? They not go fit use their hand, call ambulance, near ambulance, come carry and go hospital. Now they say they don't put themselves to problem. They not go fit use their hand, call police, make police come. They don't put themselves for problem. You know what this our Nigeria guys do? Nigerians and all these Ghana people now can't do the job. You know what this our lovely brothers. You know what they do? Hey, Baba. You know what they do? They come, what they do? They come kill this person. Oh God, some people are so very wicked. Now, this is Nigeria. Now, I see some people, they say, what did they do? What did they do? We go make them deserve that kind of sentence. Now, I want to tell you, maybe this is the case that warrants those kind of a thing, that warrants those kind of sentence. Now, I want to tell you so. They come kill person when they say now Maggi. When they kill the person finish, they come from another city, not the same I want talking like I don't know if na tell the call for like I know if it's that you know say it get under commune where you go there. I don't know what na the call for where una dey. If from another commune carry that is the when they kill the person finish, they carry a put for inside car, they come carry come our that is close to my area, then they carry the person come. You know what they do? After they kill the person, they come tear the person. They come as they operate person belle. Now our Nigeria boys and some Ghana boys now so they open this guy belle. When they open after they don't kill and finish, they can remove everything, all the old Maggi where the guy chop. They can remove one from the belly. After they don't remove and finish, they can go dump her for all completed building. Now they can go dump the bros put. You understand? So people when they pass that area, they can see some kind of smell where they come out for that kind of place. Now they can say, how? What did they happen? Now some people, you know some people when want to see something say, what is that for you when they really they smell? When they can see. They throw away human being put for a completed building. After they don't kill her, tear in belly, remove Maggi for inside belly, they can't dump her for a completed building. After they do that act, all of them they can't run. All of them they can't run, they don't see them. That is in Nigeria, where you go do something, they not go catch you. Police can't trace, they can't see, say, where they for come out, where they for carry the guy, how they say do one, camera carry many of that acts where they do, camera can't hold them. Then, their thumbprints, where they say do, where their body, where their hand say they the person body, they can see all the thumbprints that were involved in that act where they do. Now police begin to find them, they go. Now they hear me so. Police begin they find their goal. So all these kind of people now, if police, judge can sentence them to 140 years now, you go say they do bad. And they ask you, you won't tell me now say they do bad? Huh? You want tell me say they do bad? Una yo kill human being. Police arrest all of una better pass say una go yo kill human being. Una kill and finish. Una tear like so that they tear goat. Una remove Maggie for inside belle. Una go dump her for a completed building. Now police can't carry the waste bin where they throw away for them. Now police now can't carry them. They can't begin to investigate. They can't begin to look for all these people. They can't begin to look for them. They find them. They find all these people anywhere they can't begin to find them. Maybe now all those people now their sentence now. Una never know. Because police for Italy, I know say sometimes that they make mistake. Yes. But out of 100, they still make 10 mistakes. 90 now really say the person do one. That is just the truth. Police can never come to knock on your door without you never offended them, without they never see anything where they carry they come where you did. Police can never come to your house and knock on your door if you are innocent. You understand what I try to tell you so? These people now, maybe now they judge their matter. Maybe now they judge their case. Now they feel arrest all of them where they find where involved for this act where they do. When I not say all this kind of case, they know they quit the judge. And if you don't spend like how many years of prison before they go judge your case, unless say your case not too strong, then they'll quit judging. But if your case now real case where be say is strong, where it go take the time because they go really investigate to make sure say they don't make mistake before they'll sentence the person. Do you understand? So imagine say now all those kind of people when do this acts now they're sentenced to 140 years. Sister, you go cry for all these kind of people. Sister, you go even shed tears for all these kind of people. You go shed tears. Hell fucking no. You can never shed tears for them because it's what they look for. That's what they get. You understand? Unless these people they are really innocent. If they are really innocent, make God who is in heaven use somebody to go and free them, to go and look into their case file again. But if they are not innocent, my dear, me I not go fit pray for you because sometimes you not deserve what you deserve it. How can somebody you don't keep person picking? Go help me carry something come as the thing not quick come up for the person belle. All of now begin to shake. Just they una appreciate the margin where the person carry come. Una appreciate time more than the person life. Una what una take pay the person? The person not get mama. The person not get papa. The person not get family. Una kill her. Una operate her like goats. Una carry una magi for inside. All of una run. Una forget say camera there everywhere. Una forget say Tom Prince there they go fit use Tom Prince stay found now. Now all of them say wrong. Do you know how many people they arrest at that time when the thing happen? Do you know how many people where they arrest? Do you know the real people where really do the thing? All of them run enter her side. They believe say, you know me now. I don't run. They not fit see me. Unless say they not get your time, it can take that many years for them to trace you. It can take that many years for them to look for you. They don't care. They will spend that money. They will make sure they pick you. So you want to tell me now, those people now when do that act now, they can sentence them to 500 or sentence to death. You go say Italian government say they do bad. No, Mona answer me now. One can tell me now say Italian government say they can really arrest all those people when do that act. Italian people can't really sentence them. You want to tell me that Italian people they are wrong by doing that, by making that choice? For me, hey, no, they are not wrong because now person don't person will not kill. Now person don't person will not kill like goats. Una fear because of Maggie. It is better for you guys to your call police. None of now you're going say 3 years, 4 years now don't come out than to kill human being. Now go throw me for a completed building.